Hey, kings and queens, it's Sandra Fenwick here, your mortgage consultant, your mortgage expert. I am here with Marcus Eligan. He is the president and CEO of Mortgage Experts, and he has been my mentor for years, and I value his opinion. And he's coming on today to talk to us about mortgage, not only mortgage experts, but the financial service component that we have at the company. Hey, Marcus. Mortgage, not only
Good
mortgage experts.
morning. How you doing? Good afternoon.
So you can go ahead and introduce yourself whenever you're ready.
I'm sorry. Hey, everybody. My name is Marcus Eligan. A lot of you know me as Mr. Money Expert, but yes, I'm the president and CEO of Mortgage Experts, and just happy to be here. Thanks for having me, Sandra, and look forward to sharing information to help y'all grow.
All right. So Marcus has been in the business for over 20 years, and he's been a great help to me, great source, great support. And I thought he would be perfect to have on to talk about just kind of the state of the real estate market right now, because he's seen it all. He sees the ups and the downs and the crashes and all of that. What's your take on how the real estate market is going right now, Mark?
The real estate market is great in the DMV area, across the nation, actually. More houses are coming on the market. Interest rates are coming down, which allows more inventory and more people to be able to qualify for more. So the real estate market is hot right now, and it's definitely picking up because it's wintertime. But come March, we're expecting a lot more buyers to come out on the market due to the lower interest rates. And a lot more inventory to come out because a lot of clients are actually upgrading or downgrading. So that market is opening up. So the DMV market is great right now.
All right. I agree. I've had an uptick of people coming on, getting, doing applications and starting that. So we have access to so many different products here at Mortgage Experts. So we can help pretty much anybody buy a house. We can help you from start to finish, even if you need help building credit. If you need help, knowing the right way to go, we can definitely assist you with that. Can we talk about the other products that we have here at Mortgage Experts, Mark?
Oh, yes, definitely. So, I mean, one of the reasons we created Mortgage Experts was to help everybody, every single person be able to purchase a home. So we have every single product that you could think of. And if we do not have it, we actually try to get it. So we do everything from commercial to residential. We do primary residence, investment properties. We do hard money, fix and flips. We do condo conversions. We do commercial. We've helped churches. We've helped auto mechanics. We've helped HVAC companies. We've helped so many different companies on the commercial side as well. So we have a number of different products. That's why we're the Mortgage Experts. We created the Mortgage Experts because we wanted to be or have every type of loan that is known to the real estate industry. If you can finance a home, we have that product. So that was one of our goals when we established and created Mortgage Experts. And we love the fact that we can help everybody. So if for any reason you get denied at another lender, I always recommend, I preach this all the time, if you follow me, that you should definitely give us or allow us to take a second look at your file so that we can see if we have a lender that might fit with you. We have relationships with over 300 banks and lenders to make sure that we have a product for every client that may come down. Or come across our desk, I should say. So we have an array of products, and I'm just glad that we're able to help as many people as we can build generational wealth through real estate.
Okay, Marcus. So why do you call yourself Mr. Money Expert instead of the Mortgage Expert? What else do you offer?
Well, I used to be Mr. Mortgage Expert, but yes, I recently changed to Mr. Money Expert because I found that financial literacy is or has been obsolete in our community. So I've actually been a financial strategist for over 12 years now, and I wanted to share, money secrets, financial strategies to be able to help build generational wealth even after we build or buy real estate. So we actually offer a number of different financial services products. We actually we have, we teach clients on how to basically depart or how can the best way I can say is remove Uncle Sam from our pockets, that we can strategize and basically help grow our money without having to pay Uncle Sam and other entities to help grow your money. So we have an array of different financial products. If you're looking to put your home in a trust, we have that. If you need a CPA, we have that. If you need life insurance, we have that. If you're looking to build a college fund, we have that. If you're looking to build a retirement fund, we have that as well. So we have a list of a number of different products that I meet my clients and talk to my clients about to strategize on which one is the best for them. So yeah, it's beautiful. But yeah, Mr. Money Expert basically helps you build wealth using real estate as well as other financial strategies to be able to retire securely, be able to prepare for college if your kids want college funding, and even to basically have enough money for retirement. The number one obstacle a lot of my clients have is, will I have enough money for retirement? And I help my clients basically strategize so that we can make sure that pretty much you're not working at Walmart or the grocery store after you retire.
I love it. I love it. So that's one of the reasons why I chose to work at Mortgage Experts, just because, these guys are very, very knowledgeable of not only the products that we offer and not only purchasing houses, but they're also amazing at helping the community and giving back to the community. One of my biggest goals, and I tell y'all all the time, is educating our community on financial literacy, not only just purchasing a house, but what do you do after you get that house? There are so many people that sometimes buy houses and end up house poor because they don't have a financial strategy in place. So to meet with a financial expert like Marcus, once you get, you don't even have to buy a house, but to meet with a financial expert to get the house, the insurance, the financial plan, the trust, and all of that set up so you can secure your future for your children is amazing. And that's something I definitely highly recommend to all of my clients. And if you need to reach out to me, I can always connect you with Marcus. These are great things that we're offering for our community, and I love that.
Indeed. Yep. And, you can find me on all social platforms. If you Google me, Marcus Eligan, you can find me. I'm also known as Mr. Money Expert on all of the social media platforms. So you can just search Mr. Money Expert and I should come up. I would love to share the ideas and the strategies that we have in place to help build wealth and grow your money and not be taxed. Like the key is to, like I said earlier, remove Uncle Sam from our pockets. Now, Uncle Sam, they're going to get theirs. It is what it is. We can't, do too much about that. However, we can redirect some funds to make sure that when you start pulling from it, you aren't taxed when it's time to actually receive your money. So that's what I love about it. I love just teaching and showing people how to have their money grow and not without any losses. And it's a great way to basically build revenue and build income and create generational wealth for your kids, and your kids. So that's my goal. That's our goal, to help you grow and become financial literate, so that you can know where your money is and what's it's actually doing and growing. Yep.
I love that. So the gift and the curse we have in this generation is social media, right? And people make videos all day, every day, with little sound bites. Well, you should do this, and you should do this trust, a revocable versus a non-revocable. You should
Mm-hmm.
do. So for people like me who's sitting at home with all of this information but don't know where to start, can you give us kind of a step by step on what we should do as far as setting up for our future?
Well, the first step is talking to somebody like me, creating and setting up an appointment so that we can grow. And then we can actually, because everybody's different. Just like with mortgages, a mortgage application may be different. And with the finance, everybody's different. We might have money here, we might have money there, we might not have any savings whatsoever. So everybody's different. So I recommend starting with, an appointment. You can give me a call at 301-945-8300, and we can definitely sit down, schedule an appointment, and schedule a call so that we can go over your information and see how we can strategize on creating a plan to better fit your needs. So these are very unique strategies, and it's important that everybody actually get their own plan so that it can be structured for you and your family's needs. So the first step is actually starting or getting an appointment with me. Once we have that appointment, I mean, in that first initial call, I will explain the steps in the process, and we can go from there. Yep.
So, okay, so what about those of us who say, you know what, I work this little job, I'm a little bit broke, and I ain't ready for a financial plan. What are you, what kind of advice could you give to those people? Because this is the step on getting yourself ready. And I
Right.
think a lot of people are afraid to meet with the financial advisor because they think that they're not in a financial situation where they should. So, what advice would you give for that?
My advice would be we have to start somewhere. If you're looking to go somewhere, when you get in your car, if you don't hit the gas, you won't go anywhere. Nothing will happen, nothing will change. So the key is to actually hit the gas pedal and start moving. And the first direction or the first movement will be to set that appointment. Even though you don't think you're ready, even though you don't think you have enough money or what have you, I have had clients that thought the same thing, and after meeting with me, we actually were able to create a budget. We were able to find money that we may not have been able to find in the past, and be able to direct those funds into more vehicles to help with financial growth. So it's never too late. It's never too early. And I would recommend that talking and finding out where you are uh, is the best practice and the best way. Just like with mortgages, I have clients that say, I don't think I'm ready, but I just want to see where I'm at. It's the same thing with financial planning and financial strategizing, and making sure that we create a plan for you. So if you think you're not ready, believe it or not, you more than likely are. It's just a matter of finding out and structuring and strategizing to find out or creating a plan so that we can achieve in the future. So if you are on the fence or if you're not sure if you're ready or not, I definitely recommend you call me or talk to somebody at least, so that you can actually start making steps and movements. Sometimes it takes baby steps. Sometimes we can make huge leaps. But it all depends on where you are at the time and what we can do and what we can find so that we can strategize and create a plan for you. Yeah. Great question, Sandra.
Thank you. And you hit something on the head too, as far as people in upper ages. Now, I'm close to the 50 side, and I look sometimes they're like, what do I have in place for retirement? What do I have in place now? Or what can I get in place now? I love that you said it's not too early and it's not too late. What advice would you give to those who are up older in age, and where do you think we should start there?
If you're the older you are, sometimes it's harder to create a plan or uh, be able to uh, accumulate the growth that we could have accumulated while you were younger. So with my older clients, we do have to possibly get more aggressive to be able to show or have money in the future for when you're ready to retire. And everybody wants to retire at a different age, whether it's 60, 65, 70. We are able to create a plan for everyone. However, the older you are, the more strategic or aggressive we will have to be. But again, the first step is calling me. We'll structure it. We make it easy. We make it simple. We try to educate you as much as we can so that everybody is understanding of what the process is and what we are doing, and to make the accounts grow. The biggest thing is making sure our accounts grow without any losses, and to make sure that we're taxed the least amount as possible. So if you're 50, if you're 60, and you do not know where you are or where you want to be, we can definitely help you and guide you and create strategies and plans to help you achieve your goals.
Oh, thank you. I feel a lot better
Yeah,
about that.
yeah, yeah. It's never too late. It's
Yeah.
never too late. I was just talking to a 75-year-old the other day, and we got them. We were able to help them and get them on a plan. So it's never too late. However, the sooner the better, because every day we get older.
I,
Every day, life changes, life happens. So it's important that we get on the ball sooner than later, so that we could get to our destination um, quickly and on time. I use a GPS reference again. If you get in your car and you put in the goal or the destination in your GPS, however, you don't hit the gas pedal, you're not going to go anywhere. Or if you're going at 5 miles an hour, it's going to take you forever to get there. So the goal is to, get on the highway, start driving to your destination so that we can get there sooner than later.
what advice would you give to those of us who are trying to help our children who may be teens about to grow up, leave the nest? What advice would you give to our parents on where we should get them started, the younger?
Great question. I was able to actually help one of my clients. They just had a newborn baby, and we have a product called $1 Million Baby, which allows a child to start a program where by the time they're 18, we can fund their college. By the time they're 25, we can give them a down payment on their home. By the time they're 35, we can help them out with their wedding or start a business or whatever they choose to do. And by the time once they turn 65, we can actually give them up to $80,000 a year tax free for the rest of their lives. So the key is to starting early, getting in early, starting these programs early so that we can build over time with no losses and no taxes. Kids that are teenage years or even 10 years old, I was able to help them as well. It again, the older you are or the later you start, the more aggressive we might have to go, or structure it. But at the same time, it's never too late to start. So, and it's never too early to start. So I would recommend calling me and talking so that we could strategically create a plan to help you grow your money and create financial and generational wealth for, like I said, your kids, your kids' kids, and so on. Yep.
Wow. That's great information. $1 Million Baby. I love it.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we call it $1 Million Baby because by the time the term is over, they would have received well over $1 million in income and funds, and all of this is tax free, guys. All of this is tax free, guys and gals. So it's an amazing product, and I have it on all of my boys. I have it on all of my children, and my family has it on theirs as well. And it's a great product. I strongly recommend to get started with that.
Yeah, that's a great way to break uh, generational curses. That's a great way
Correct.
um, to set your children up for a good financial future. And then as you're setting these things up, you explain to them what it is and how to use it. And, you know, I'm sorry, you were saying something.
I'm sorry. No, I wasn't.
Okay. Yeah, we explain to them what it is, how to use it. We explain to them credit utilization and how to build that up. When you're ready to buy a house, you might be fresh out of college or going to college and you're of age where you could purchase. We want to educate our children on that process as well. So once they age out of you paying for the policy, it just go into their name and they start paying for it, or is this something that you set up for them?
That's a great question. So both ways we can do. We can convert it over to where the child becomes the owner of their program and they continue paying into it. Or the parent or the original owner can continue paying for it as well. So paying into it as well. So we have options to convert it, or we can leave it as be. Typically, most of my clients transfer over once the child is 30. We typically 25 to 30 is the range where we let the child actually take over their own program and contribute to their own program. But like I said, every case is different. Everybody's different, and we structure it accordingly.
I love it. All right. Well,
Yep.
you guys know where to start with this. If you are ready to buy a house and get your financial future started, or you go over your financial situation, feel free to call me or call Marcus. You guys know how to reach me at 301-965-1155. If you'd like to start an application, you can go to approvedmesandra.com. Marcus, you can go ahead and tell them how they can get in touch with you.
You can go to marcuseligan.com. That's MarcusEligan.com. You can connect with me there. You can schedule a call right on that website as well. And you can connect with me. You can also reach me at 301-945-8300. And you can call me and we can talk and schedule a call there as well. But MarcusEligan.com is one of the best ways you can reach me. You can follow me on social media through that website as well. It's like my welcome website, I should say. So yes, you can definitely connect with me on there. And I also want to mention that we are looking for great people to spread the word. So if you are looking for extra income, or if we live in the DMV, so a lot of federal workers are may not have a job. So if you're looking for extra income, or if you're looking for part-time or full-time income, we are looking for great people to spread the knowledge and share these experiences with clients. So if you're looking to become a mortgage professional, if you're looking to become a financial strategist, we are open and we're looking for great people to basically share the wealth and share their information. So if you're interested in that, you can reach out to me as well, or Sandra. Yep.
Yep, that was where I was going with it. I highly recommend Mortgage Experts as your broker, especially if you are a experienced loan officer and you're looking for a new home. We can definitely get you transitioned over to Mortgage Experts. You have these guys, the Mr. Money Expert himself, that can mentor you and give you guidance, as well as you have me. I've been with them for 8 years now, and I can't be any happier. And I wouldn't think about changing brokerages. So if you're looking for a new home to hang your license, come on over to Mortgage Experts. Reach out to either of us. We can get you set up. And if you are looking to become a mortgage lender, then we can definitely point you in that direction to help you get licensed and everything. We have a great program here at our brokerage that can walk you through the whole steps. So yeah, reach out to me for that. Again, my 301-965-1155. Well, guys, we will be watching this. We'll repost. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment here or inbox us or use our contact information.
Thank you, everybody. Appreciate for having me. Thank you so much, Sandra, for having me. Greatly appreciate you. And I love what you're doing. Keep up the great work. And our goal is to help as many people as possible build generational wealth through real estate as well as financial strategies. And thank you for having this platform to spread the wealth, spread the knowledge, and educate our communities.
Perfect. Thank you for coming, Marcus. I appreciate you.
You're
guys
very welcome.
Enjoy your lunch, and we will see you next Thursday. Thank you. Bye.
Have a good one, everybody.